Hello friends. In this video tutorial session, we will learn to create a new disk partition in Windows 11. This is a very easy process. I have explained each step very clearly in this video. Please follow the instructions. Open Disk Management. Right-click this PC, then click Manage. Select Disk Management from left the menu. Wait for the Disk Management tool to load, displaying all your connected drives and partitions. Select the C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. In the Shrink Volume window, you'll see total size before shrink, the current total size of the C drive, size of available shrink space, the maximum space you can shrink without affecting existing files. Enter the amount of space to shrink, specify the amount of space you want to free up in megabytes. For example, to shrink by 200 gigabytes, enter 200,000 megabytes. Click Shrink to proceed. After shrinking, you will see unallocated space 200 gigabytes. You can use this unallocated space to create a new partition or extend an existing one. Right-click on Unallocated Partition. Click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Simple volume size in megabyte. Click Next. Assign drive letter E or any. Click Next. Click Next and finish. New drive creation complete. Now formatting new drive. Change drive letter from E to D. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.